What drives a researcher forward may be as unique as the individual. But beyond the drive, there's a common obstacle: access to the physical, financial, and societal resources needed to conduct research. With competition for resources being intense, the gap between the researcher and resources can seem like an abyss. The National Alliance for Broader Impacts provides a bridge. NABI is committed to helping the research community connect research activity with broader societal impacts that attract funding from the National Science Foundation. With a keen interest in the societal benefits that research can bring, NSF-funded proposals are evaluated on their intellectual merit and their broader impacts. The breadth of societal benefits outlined by NSF provides a fertile field for a wide range of researchers in nearly every academic discipline. Investigators who can create clear connections between their research and putting broader impacts in motion are in a favorable position. But for many researchers, this emphasis on broader impacts represents a challenge. The National Alliance for Broader Impacts was created to help researchers identify and create connections that address the NSF Broader Impacts criterion. NABI makes it easy for researchers to connect with program partners who can deliver their broader impacts, and NABI can assist researchers by connecting them with evaluators capable of assessing broader impacts activities. With more than 400 members from 150-plus institutions across the globe, NABI has connecting power. Members represent a wide range of research-minded individuals who stand to benefit by connecting with each other. Through workshops and consultations, NABI helps investigators understand broader impacts and how to use them to advance research interests. Want to know more or get involved? Visit the NABI website.